Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create text box in Adobe Acrobat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first, go to your Adobe account. Next is open up one of your files. So let's say this is my file, there's an empty file. So what you can do to add the text box here is just click on Edit here at the top, and then you can see a text option here. Okay, now click on that one. And as you can see, I can't really show you how to add a text box since I don't have Acrobat Pro. So what you can do here is once you've clicked the text option, you can just click on the page here again, and then just drag and drop the text icon here. You can just drag it, and you will see a text box along it, okay? It's like drawing it like this, it would look like this. And then you can just drag it anywhere to make it bigger. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create text box in Adobe Acrobat. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.